Hello, this is Tina from Golden Security. This video is for you to know deeper about our products. First, this Siren is 100-watt remote cable control. It has 6 sorts of home tones. First, it has insert lights for a better view during the night. Second, it has 2 lamp control buttons, which can control LED lights and red blue lights independently. Third, every button can start the siren. And the controller has auto-save memory. The lights will on when the siren starts. 5. Off button will shutting down all the functions.